Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We are having this along with this. Here we have it. We have egg fried rice with chicken in black bean sauce. And I don't know if you guys remember a while back, I had two of these types of drinks. I've still got this one. I hadn't even bothered filming it. I wanted to save it for a video, and I thought, why not use it now. I've still got a couple of the Prime Energy drinks that I was supposed to be trying while filming videos, and I still haven't yet. Yeah, there's a video coming tomorrow as well, just in case you think this is a bit short and not like fantastic. We have a video coming tomorrow. It is kebab. It's like a kebab platter thing. It's got kufte, shish, doner, chips, salad, burger, and chicken strips. That was filmed before the England game. This one is filmed after the England game. And yeah, how bad was that England game? It's like it was just wow. I'm worried for us against Switzerland. I shouldn't have to be worried. It's no disrespect to Switzerland, but it's Switzerland, you know, and we're England. I've never in my life as a football fan seen England play so boring as I have now. It's, oh my, I've never seen it. And the amount of world-class players we have, you know, Jude Bellingham, Harry Kane, Phil Foden, Saka, Rice, you know, it's crazy. I think we had one shot on goal in the whole full-time game, which is crazy. But yeah, let me try some of this with a naan. Yeah, they don't go together. Obviously they don't, because one's Chinese, one's Indian. But, ooh, yeah. That's nice. I like the mango taste on that. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have noticed on my arms there as well, like scratch marks, and on there as well. Baloo is an extremely violent cat. You know, I will show you. I managed to catch one of his violent outbursts on camera. I will show it now. So, but yeah, user discretion is advised. I'm going to show you the video.
By gaining his trust, he'll let his guard down, and that's when you can make your move.
You think it could come to that?
Well, not if we can help it. We're gonna have to comb through your life ever since he's been a part of it.
Haven't we already done that? We're talking about each and every moment for the last 2 years.
The answer could be in the smallest detail. Okay.
But yeah, it's scary. It's scary living here. Does anyone want to take him from me? You know, he's quite old, but I mean, from that video, he still can be very violent. You know, sometimes I'll just be leaving a room, going into another room. He'll come up behind me, grab my legs with his paws. You know, it's so dangerous living around him. You know, I like this. I don't like this. Yeah, not I'm not a fan of the bread. It's too herby. You got no garlic flavour. It's just really herby bread, and it's like, But this is nice. The only reason why I got this, I didn't get, you know, like loads of sides and stuff to go with it, is because the only reason why I got this is it was on the flash sale. I've talked about it several times before. If you don't know what a flash sale is, Ocado and Morrison's, they're both the same company. When you check out, you know, if you do an online grocery delivery, you click checkout and there's always, oh, have you forgotten any of this stuff? Constantly trying to force you to buy more stuff. Like, especially Tesco, I think there's like 3 pages. Like, you'll click checkout with Tesco and there'll be a list of stuff. No, you have to scroll down to the bottom in order to skip it. You click on the next one. Oh, are you sure you don't want any of these favourites? And I'm like, no, okay, no. If I wanted them, I would have bought them. Stop trying to, you know. Anyway, long story short, Morrison's and Ocado do it. But at the second page, they also have a flash sale area where they're like, well, we'll give you any of these items for like 33% off, sometimes 40% off. And I got this. I believe this was £2.50 on offer. I'm not 100% no. But I was like, you know what? It's something I can throw in the microwave real quick, make a quick video, and then I can try it for the first time. I've never had it before and it's not bad. Now, in my personal opinion, I always find in these ready meal dishes, there's so much more rice compared to anything else. Like, it's not very saucy, neither. So yeah, but it's okay. It's not too bad. Would I get this again? No. No. Only because if I wanted to get a ready meal, I prefer if it's a ready meal. I prefer Italian. I'm not really a rice fan when it's in a ready meal. I rather cook my own. But yeah, I rather cook my own than have it in a ready meal because the rice is always bland. The rice itself. It always has that kind of taste of the boil in the bag rice. I don't know if you've ever had that before. Either the boil in the bag rice or the micro rice. I wouldn't get this again. I'm not really a fan of the little bits in your drink, but it's alright. It's okay for trying it once. But yeah, fingers crossed for Saturday. If I don't move, he won't see me. You're a naughty boy. Naughty. Yeah, fingers crossed for Saturday, man. Oh my god. Worst I've ever seen England play in a tournament. And the annoying thing is it comes once every 2 years for us. You know, Southgate's got to go. I'm sorry, Southgate, you know. This ain't Middlesbrough. Stop playing so defensive. Like, we kept passing the ball back to the defence, then to the keeper, then to the defence, then to the midfield, then back to defence, then keeper. And I'm like, why are we playing so passive? You know? Like, one shot all game. I almost fell asleep watching that match. That's how bad it is. You know, you should be right, come on England! But watching it, it was like a snore fest. You know? And so many people spent thousands of pounds going over to Germany to watch that and support their team. And the past 4 matches we've had has been diabolical. Like, yeah, the first 3 games we scored 2 goals. 2 goals. And it went like we was playing Spain, Portugal, France, Germany, any sort of team like that. Like, yeah, the opposition we had, we should have been free-flowing, scoring goals. But yeah, like, oh. One more thing I'm going to say before I go, real quick, is if we would have gone out there and say we'd had 20 shots on their goal and still lost, I'd have been like, okay, I'm upset, you know, because my team got knocked out of the competition, but at least we'd shown some passion and tried to get a goal. Anyway, that is it from me. Like I said, there's a previous video that has been filmed, will be up tomorrow for you guys to watch as well. I'm hoping to get up another video of me having eggy bread, because I don't really eat bread, but I've bought the bread. The bread I've already purchased, so I've got to use it, otherwise it's just going to get thrown in the bin and wasted. So I've got some eggs and I've got some bread, so I'm looking to make some eggy bread. And while I'm eating that, I'm going to go over the list of what they call eggy bread in other countries and how they add their own little twists and stuff to it. It's just like, yes, a couple of them I'm like, ooh, that sounds interesting. But some of them are like, you know. But yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow.